And Indonesia League is famous about this situation. But you see one big coincidence, always against PSM Makassar. Queres água?
Não.
Não?
Obrigado.
Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih to the supporters that come here today to support the players. I know that some of them make many sacrifices to come here to support the team. Terima kasih. Before I speak about the game, I need to speak about preparation. We have one last day to prepare this match, comparing with the opponent team. And after the official training yesterday, we received the information that Yuran cannot play. And I not understand, because this is not the first time that is happened, because on the email that the club received, the date is 25. So if they make the letter on 25, why they give the information to the club 8 or 9 o'clock night on 26? Because on this situation, we cannot prepare the things on the field. So I think this is a behavior unfair. That is not the first time that happened. And if they can say this before, we can prepare the things different yesterday. We draw against one team that always win away. So today he not win away. Of course, we want to win. But we must be humble. We have 9 goal attempts. They have 9 goal attempts. The man of the match was opponent goalkeeper. Make 3, 4 good saves. Also, Hillman make at least 1 good save, in my opinion. Was a game that there are opportunities in our side and opponent side. I think we can win, but also we can lose. Sometimes we make a good offensive transition, but the last moment near of the opponent goal, or we cannot shoot, or we take the bad decision. We need to improve this. But according what happened, I need to be happy, because we draw against one team that is strong, one team that have economic, financial situation to bring Nerman Algeta, to bring Valente, to bring Vidal, players that make the difference when have the ball. But we make good game, in my opinion, without ball. We need to improve our decision making. On the second half, many players from our team, the performance go down because they are tired, because opponent team run a lot. But of course we want to win, but we need to be happy. It's 1 point that we collect. We hope that now on the FIFA schedule, our players can recover, because today Neto plays sick. We have some players that are not 100%. We have many players that stay on Calegoa that are injured. And we hope now that with this FIFA break that we can recover some players, because it's important. And we need to keep working, because if we are working together, it's more near to get again the victory that we want.
Boa noite a todos.
Selamat malam.
Muito bom estar aqui falando com vocês.
I'm very happy to be here to speak with you.
Saya sangat senang bisa berbicara dengan kalian sekarang.
Pode falar, não vai perguntar.
Não, é tu para falares o que quiseres do jogo, o que tu achaste?
Primeiramente, queria agradecer a todos que vieram fazer parte desse jogo, né, os torcedores. Eu falo muito que os torcedores são o 12º jogador e estou muito feliz pela presença de todos.
I am very happy that the supporters come here to Parepare to support our team. In my opinion, the supporters are the Dua Blas player. It's very important that they can come to support us.
Saya sangat senang supporter datang mendukung kita hari ini. Menurut dia, supporter memainkan peran sebagai pemain ke-12 dalam tim yang sangat membantu tim.
Sobre o jogo, eu acho que fizemos um grande jogo, tivemos a oportunidade de concluir. Não é à toa que o goleiro deles, o guarda-redes, foi o melhor em campo.
About the game, I think we make a good game, positive game, because we create many chances, and the signal of this is that the goalkeeper of them was the man of the match.
Ya, dan saya kira terkait game, kita melakukan game yang cukup positif ya, dan kita mempunyai beberapa peluang yang cukup bagus, dan salah satu fakta yang membenarkan ini, kita membuat peluang gawang mereka harus bekerja keras dan mendapatkan man of the match malam ini.
Não era o resultado que queríamos, viemos para vencer o jogo, pela proposta de jogo que o professor passou para a gente, trabalhando muito forte, só que o resultado não veio, mas eu acredito que um ponto também é muito importante para o decorrer do campeonato. Vamos ter um tempo agora de descanso e aí voltar mais forte e preparado para o próximo desafio e conquistar o objetivo do clube.
Was not the result that we want, because we just collect 1 point, but we try to do our best. The plan of the game was to try to win, not to draw. Now we're gonna have some moments that we can rest, and after can come be more strong to make the best target of the club, that is the best position.
Ya, dan tentu ini bukan hasil yang kita inginkan. Kita ingin memenangkan pertandingan. Rencana awalnya adalah untuk memenangkan pertandingan. Sekarang kita akan mempunyai beberapa hari untuk beristirahat. Saya berharap kita beristirahat dengan baik, dan saya berharap pada saat kita kembali untuk bekerja lagi, kita kembali bekerja lebih kuat, dan bisa memberikan performa terbaik kita pada saat kita bekerja, bisa memberikan yang terbaik.
Okay. It's okay.
Seperti ini masalah produktivitas gol masih terjadi di skuad PSM Makassar. Ini ada 3 minggu jeda. Ada perbaikan, mungkin ada perbaikan dari coach dalam ukuran tim. Kemudian soal Yuran, coach, satu lagi soal Yuran tidak bisa bermain di 3 laga berikutnya karena tidak menyalami wasit pada laga sebelumnya. Apakah itu pantas didapatkan oleh Yuran atau menurut coach bagaimana?
We just play 6 games, not 7, okay? So imagine if we win the other game, we have more 3 points. Productivity is create goals. We create the chances. We need the accuracy. But see, who was the best man of the match? Who was? The keeper. The keeper make 3 fantastic saves. This is football. I am happy with the team. The team create chances.
Ya, dan kalau Anda membicarakan tentang produktivitas dalam sepak bola itu adalah untuk membuat peluang. Dan dalam pertandingan ini kita membuat peluang. Pertandingan sebelumnya juga kita membuat peluang. Khusus di pertandingan kali ini kita membuat peluang. Namun siapa yang man of the match? Man of the match-nya adalah gawang lawan. Dan saya senang bahwa pemain-pemain menciptakan peluang tersebut.
And don't forget, we play with many players that cannot help us. Some of them play injured or sick, okay? And see the 3 games that this team play away. They win Persebaya away. Who you think have more budget? PSM Makassar or Persebaya? They play away and win against Malut. Who think have more budget? Malut or PSM Makassar? And they win against Bali. Who you think have more budget? Bali or PSM Makassar? So we win on 1 point. Okay?
Yuran, 4 matches. Okay.
Translate what I say.
Dan juga jangan lupakan bahwa ada pemain-pemain yang cedera dan juga sakit di pertandingan ini. Oke? Dan dari 3 pertandingan away yang mereka lakukan sebelumnya, mereka melawan Persebaya, siapa yang lebih bagus kondisi finansialnya antara Persebaya atau PSM? Anda sudah jawab. Dari pertandingan kedua yang mereka menangkan, Malut away, siapa yang lebih bagus kondisi finansialnya, budgetnya lebih, Malut atau PSM Makassar? Pertandingan ketiga, Bali, siapa yang lebih bagus budgetnya, Bali atau PSM Makassar? Jadi kita bisa ambil positifnya, kita menangkan 1 poin hari ini.
I think it's a new rule here on Indonesia, because I never saw one thing like this, and I think it's better I no speak. Maybe if I speak, maybe after is the coach that have problem. So you already know my opinion what's happened with Yuran before. Nobody on the world believe on this, and Indonesia League is famous about this situation. But you see one big coincidence, always against PSM Makassar.
Saya kira ini adalah aturan baru ya. Saya tidak pernah melihat hal seperti ini. Namun saya kira lebih baik saya tidak bicara panjang tentang ini. Kalau misalnya nanti saya bicara panjang bisa terjadi sesuatu kepada saya. Namun kalian sudah tahu opini saya terhadap hukuman yang sebelumnya didapatkan oleh Yunan. Sepak bola Indonesia terkenal hanya gara-gara ini, dan ini selalu terjadi ke PSM. Saya kira ini suatu kebetulan yang sangat besar.
Coach, ini berulang kali tadi disinggung soal finansial. Kemarin sebelum laga lawan Persija, Coach sempat mengeluhkan terkait ada keterlambatan gaji bahkan sampai 5 bulan. Itu kondisinya seperti apa, sampai sekarang sudah dibayarkan atau seperti apa?
Salary is the same, 5 months delay, but we get some bonus, draw bonus, and so a little better, but salary is the same situation, unfortunately, because we are professional, and it's 5 months that we are here. Imagine you in your place, it will be 5 months, and imagine like my situation and some staff that are far away, different country, and you are 5 months without receive the salary. But you see, opponent team don't have salary delay, and we draw against them. So this is not excuse. My team work hard. Okay, we work hard, and I am proud of them. Unfortunately, today we cannot win, and the man of the match was the goalkeeper opponent team. Now read the game. This team win away against Persebaya, away against Malut, away against Bali. And you told me that they have more budget than us. So we need to be positive. Okay? We need to be positive. Of course, we want to win, but it's a positive game. We create chances. They also create, but we create chances.
Terkait gaji masih tetap sama. Masih tetap 5 bulan. Ya, sisi baiknya adalah kita mendapatkan beberapa bonus dari hasil yang sebelumnya, dan kita harus tetap profesional untuk melakukan tugas kita, pekerjaan kita. Bayangkan kalian tidak menerima gaji kalian selama 5 bulan. Kalian ada di posisi ini. Bayangkan staf saya yang ada di sini, yang jauh dari negara asal, jauh dari keluarganya, melakukan hal seperti ini. Namun kita harus tetap profesional. Dan sedangkan lawan tidak mempunyai masalah-masalah ini. Jadi saya kira di pertandingan kali ini tim saya bekerja keras, oke? Dan saya bangga kepada mereka. Sayangnya hasil bukan hasil yang kita inginkan, yaitu kemenangan. Namun kita bekerja keras. Kita harus lihat dari sisi positifnya. Kita harus lihat positifnya di pertandingan ini. Kalian membicarakan tentang lawan tadinya yang datang ke sini dengan hasil kemenangan melawan Persebaya, Malut, Bali, dan kita mendapatkan 1 poin melawan mereka. Jadi dari pertandingan ini kita membuat peluang, mereka membuat banyak peluang juga, kita juga membuat peluang. Saya kira ini adalah game yang positif dan kita mendapatkan 1 poin dari game ini.